what's up YouTube, this is HGZ Videos. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple header just like this, and you can customize it all by yourself. So it just says Shocker, which is my username. I just threw in a SOAR logo in there, just in case if you're a SOAR fanboy. So you go by new 1200 by 600. Make sure you just copy these settings or whatever. Just pause the video. Alright, so I'll press OK. So I got this white rectangle. Alright, and then I'm going to just go to where I got like all these wallpapers and all this stuff. So I just pick a wallpaper that I like. So there's like a Tron wallpaper, just some, these are textures and stuff. And then, yeah, so usually like, I like working with like kind of like plain stuff. So this looks, it's not too plain, but this is perfect. I have this on my YT by BG. Alright, so then there's a watermark in the bottom. You want to pull that down so it's not visible. Alright, and then, so there. Alright, so I just free transformed that. I like how this is all 3D. If you want to free transform, press Control T, and then you can move it, you can rotate it, like, so I can put that sideways if I wanted. So I just press Enter, and then I'll leave it there, but I don't want that, so I just put Edit, and then step backward. And you can also, instead of pressing Control T, you can press right here, Edit, and free transform. Alright, so let's get into this. Go right here to the bottom rectangle tool, and make the rectangle. Left click up there on that top left corner where I did, or wherever you want it at, in the bottom left, right. So there, and then that's made. Alright, so then you can pick the colors here, so I can make it white if I want, and then blue, whichever. So I'll just get a nice like black one, and then once you're done with that, you press Enter. So you see it kind of takes over the whole thing. So you go up here, right click, hit blending options, left click, and then opacity right here, blending options default, click on that if it's not, and then just turn this up and down. So then you see how it gets like turns darker, and it's like you can't even see it because the opacity is down. Alright, so I don't really like it at black. Maybe I want to turn it white. Just go to color overlay and just make it white. Then go back to blending options, custom, turn that down, and boom. And I don't like my rectangle size, so I'll press Control T, transform, make it just a bit bigger. Alright, go to T, typing tool. Alright, so I'm in TrueLies font. Go to get it at thefont.com, dafont.com. I'll just put Shocker, my username. And then just line that. Press Enter. Go over here, right click on my type layer, blending options. I'm gonna put a black stroke on it so that appears. Now I'm gonna put a inner shadow. That looks pretty nice. And then I'm gonna show you a nice trick. Go up here. You have to right click it. So you right click these and see all the tools that there are. Go to polygonal lasso tool. Click it just right above, right there, like up above your text, and then you can drag it out right here or however long. So I like putting it right here so then I can go straight through my text. And then from there I left click again and then connect it right here where the circle appears. And then after that, go to the move tool. Go back to my type layer. Put radarize type. And then you can see my my cursor, it changes like into scissors. So with that, you left click and hold it, and then you can move this. So you can move my layer. So what I like doing is like I can put it like right here. So you put it like a little close, and then hit the magic wand. Just click it, and then click it again, and then boom. That's where like that's like chopped up and nicely. And then if you don't want that and want to like change it, go to edit, and then just put step backward a couple of times until you can move it again. So that's basically it. And then for like since I have a SOAR PSD, which nobody else can really have, this is a new one, the updated one. So that's like the background right there. So this is a PNG, so there's no background on that source. I can just move it over here. Like there's no like white background behind the right here. But so then I can just put that just right here if I wanted to, or I can press Control T, freeze transform, which you guys are gonna use a lot. And then just make it however big I want it, and then that's basically it. If you guys have any questions or comments on how, like, what, if you want to get more, like how to make a YouTube background, how to make a SOAR logo, because I'll maybe link if I get a lot of likes and comments and subscribers, and follow me on Twitter at ShockerGFX. I might release a SOAR PSD. But yeah, so if you have any more questions, just comment or tweet at me. Alright, so same thing right there. All I did was just change this background. It's pretty damn easy. Alright, so that concludes this episode, I guess.